Let's cover some keyboard shortcuts. The most important keyboard shortcut is Shift ? Because that will show you a list of keyboard shortcuts. We won't cover all of these, but we'll hit some highlights. To get out of the keyboard shortcuts list, just click anywhere outside of it. If you want to travel left or right or up or down, press and release one of the arrow keys. So I'm going to press the left arrow key, and we start moving to the left. I press the right arrow key, and we start moving to the right. If I want to stop, I press the space bar or just click anywhere in the location. That will stop the movement. If I want to revolve around my location, I'm going to hold down Shift and the left or right arrow key, and I revolve around the focal point of my location. If I want to rotate around my location, so I'm on an axis and I'm rotating 360 degrees, I'm going to hold down the Option key and the left or right arrow key. So now I'm rotating around my location. If I'm in a 3D perspective and I want to change the altitude of my 3D perspective, I'm going to hold down the Shift key and the up or down arrow. So I'm holding down the Shift key and the down arrow, so I'm decreasing my 3D perspective altitude. And the last keyboard shortcut we'll talk about is Command X. It would be Control X on a PC. I'm on a Mac. So when you do Command X or Control X, you fly out to see the entire Earth.